Everybody, welcome back to the weekly drop-in craft with Amy. Today we are going to make tie-dye butterflies. Very simple, very colorful, and very creative. What you need for that are you need coffee filters, paper towels if you want, if you don't have coffee filters, markers. I used washable markers, pipe cleaners for the antennas, a spray bottle, and if you don't have a spray bottle at home, you can use a water dropper. And this is how we're going to start. I took 2 coffee filters and I put them together. Then I started coloring on my coffee filters. And I tried to get as much color onto it as possible. I'm gonna just got a little pink. Maybe we'll do a little blue. You could do rainbows. You could do shapes. You could do anything you want, and I'm gonna show you why. Because when this is all filled up with color, what's gonna happen when we squirt the water on it is all the colors are going to blend so it looks like tie-dye. Just gonna do a couple more things just to give you an idea. I haven't seen really any butterflies out in my backyard recently. I hope they come soon because I love butterflies and I love looking at the colors of all of them. How about you, as I'm doing all this? Okay, so now I have my color on my top coffee filter. On the bottom, it went through a little, but not a lot. And I'm gonna put them together. I'm gonna take my spray bottle and I'm gonna spray my coffee filter. And you see how all those colors start bleeding? If you're going to use a dropper like this, all you need to do is just drop the water on it like that. And you're going to wet the whole thing. And after the whole coffee filter is wet, you're going to put it aside for a little bit so it dries. What I did was I did mine a little earlier so I could show you what it looks like when it's dry. This is what my coffee filters look like after I sprayed them with water. When I said that you can also use a paper towel, these were the paper towels that my coffee filter was sitting on. I can make this out of a butterfly also, and I'll show you how to do that. So once you have your coffee filters that are dry, you're going to take them, you're going to kind of scrunch them up in the middle so it looks like wings. Then you're going to take your pipe cleaner and you're just going to twist it. And that's how we make the antennas. And I'm going to put a couple of eyes. I have different kind of eyes. I made eyes out of stickers like that. I'm just going to stick it on. Just like that. And there's your butterfly. And you could put it up wherever you want. You could put a little hole in it and you can hang it with a string. Now, if you have paper towels and that's what you've been using, all you need to do with that is, I got a couple of these. Same thing. The only difference is it's not round. It's more like this. And once it completely dries, you could probably pull them apart. You just do the same thing with the antennas. And then there's your butterfly, and I'll put more eyes on this one. Lost my eye there. Simple, beautiful colors, and you can make a whole butterfly garden if you want. So that's our craft for this week. Why don't you go outside and look for butterflies and see the colors on their wings. And then I'll be back here next week on Thursday at 4 o'clock with a new craft for you. Have a great week. Bye.